Right, let's look at some finer points on building the domes. This is the exploded view for the GD27. You'll notice that here, 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 and a few other places that there's half triangles. What it is this panel here is exactly like this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here now, but divided across there. Oops, like that. So that there is that panel there. So it's basically exactly half of a full pentagon pattern. These are hexagons and that again is half. The only difference is it's halved across here, like that. So I'll quickly demonstrate a quick way to make these from standard frames. This one says half pent triangle, 4 off, 2 mirror. Sounds pretty complicated. I'm going to show you how simple that is. So we want to make 2 half pence, and one has to be a mirror of the other. Sounds complicated. Here's how it's done. This is a pent for a GD27, and we need to make some half pence for it. Lots of the plans need these half pence, so I'll show you how to make them, and it's really quite easy. We have a bit of Tubadoo here. It's about half this thick. This actually doesn't matter how thick this is, because it works whatever size timber you use. What you do is you cut it with a point on one end, flat on the other, and you just insert it in there. Line it up, have a little mark, so it's in the middle. What we do, that's then got a stud down the middle of our triangle. I'm going to screw that in. I'll show you on this one. We screw that in to the end with screws. Keep away from the centre, because what we're going to do next is we just put it on the saw bench and cut it down the centre. That way we get a left hand and a right hand of a half pentagon. Simple. Right, I've cut them. That's them cut in half now. You'll notice on the ends you might get a little piece come off when you cut it down the middle. Just glue it back on like that. It's not critical. It's not really used for anything.